Okay, so we're gonna go over a quick, I guess you can call it a haul of what we got today out with the trash. So we got this, I'm assuming it's supposed to be a pressure cooker, aluminum or stainless. I probably would assume aluminum. It's nice and heavy. This is steel though, and I'm never gonna be able to get that magnet back off. So, we've been doing a lot of other processing. Some of it maybe in the second part of the other video if I ever do it, but never get that edited before this. James had been sitting taking apart all those transformers, so this is our steel bin at the moment. This is from those AC adapters. We busted them open. Nothing exciting. Anyways, so we got, what was it, 2 cords. Those from some like entertainment stand thing. I'm assuming it was more light in there. We got that. There's a lamp cord, and then there's also this and this, which are actually quite a disappointment. These are mostly plastic. There's just a little bit of wire in them, in the cord. And a recycling tote, of course, because that's really where I find a lot of the goodies. Oh, that was also a recycle tote. Then there's this coax garbage, all these different cablings that I'll have to look up later. I don't have the time right now. That were in a box next to a pile of cardboard boxes. So the metal one they came through, just assumed it was cardboard, but on recycle, we realized there was stuff in here. So we grabbed that, and like I said, that's aluminum. And we had done some of that processing. That's supposed to be the copper underneath. But it's steel. This is stuff we gotta figure out if it's aluminum or stainless. Like I said, then this is aluminum. And then over here is the other vacuum cord and the bucket of cords. So, the one of these, it was this one. As you can see, it's mostly plastic. This one doesn't have a ballast. We're pretty sure this one does. Yeah, it probably does. It's got some weight to it, so, which is actually a problem, because the scrapyard that we would be going to doesn't want ballasts at all. It's on the do not accept list, so I'll have to add that with the other stuff and just put it to the curb for the town or some other scrapper, so for someone else to do it. So, like I said, I'll have to look this stuff up. I'll probably still scrap it anyways. A little lazy on the selling, and then this is probably just garbage that I will probably just put back in the garbage. So this is what we got trash picking, and this is all from this morning too. We got absolutely nothing last night when we went and we done our section over here between all the major streets. Checked apps, we got nothing, and then went to the other side, did a long half over there, absolutely nothing. So it was nice to find this stuff. It always seems you gotta go in the morning around here. That's when everyone's got all their trash out. That's when you'll get everything. So I bought myself a pair of Snips, a nice pair of Stanleys. So, other than that, I'll have to bring you back when we find out if those are worth anything. Alright, so an update. I looked these up. These are not worth anything. They're worth, well, I shouldn't technically say worth nothing. They're worth about $5. And almost none have sold, so like I figured, to the scrapyard they would go. This, and then this stuff I'm not really too worried about. This is mostly clean. It's mostly aluminum, there's some steel on it. The handle's gonna have to come off, which, that's interesting. Gonna be interesting way to get that off. Put that down there, I don't care about that.
Come on, just grab a nail with a pair of nails and tap it. Tap on shit.
I have to ignore James and his constant phone dinging.
It's not my fault.
this up hard, so let me get this camera set up somewhere. Yeah, this is, I'll have to figure something out eventually. I just want to get this stuff processed and done so I can get this video up tonight. So it's Wednesday now. The other stuff is filmed Monday morning. We just had crap to do.
What's the transformer?
Oh, so it's not a ballast. That's good to know.
That would be a Weedle one. Of course, what do I know?
Of course, this is my things. Well, I guess we'll let them play with this, and I'll play with the cables. No.
Feel fast.
Don't make a ton of noise.
Why is your audience gonna be pissed at me? Looks like someone's in here for me.
So I'll add that to the wire board.
Alright, time.
Got that plug on. Add that to the little mini pile of plugs we got going right now. All these wire nuts. Garbage. Wire pile.
That's further in the short pile.
Yes. Alright, so look at this. Kind of just make sure things are in frame because I can't tell what's in frame.
Oh yeah, it's in frame.
I can't entirely tell what's in frame or not. So.
Yeah, when you get like a mirror or something.
Well, or it's called, a better camera that has a viewfinder that you can, that's not just on the back that you can actually look at, but I don't have that luxury at the moment.
Yeah, well, I like stick my head in the rack. Actually get a good view.
It's kind of too bad none of these are worth money. Oh well. Because they're all completely brand new. And that's our garbage. Then really it's just clip the zip ties, clip the ends off. Clip all these ends off. I'm trying to think too, I'm pretty sure we have no use for this wire either.
I don't think so.
So, too bad, but that's just how it is.
Oh well. Make new capper and plastic every day.
Doesn't help that these are not the. So, nice wire, sort of. It's very. Okay, I know there's copper in there. It's just how it is. It's not very easy to see.
Yeah, I can't really see that.
Well, that's what happens when you have a camera that doesn't know how to focus either. That's also part of the problem. So, let's just boop. Let's see if I can get. Yeah, there we go. It seemed to cut better when I had more than one in there.
Or, you know, use that for wire snips or side cutters. Go further that way. There you go.
Move the camera on that.
No, I'll just nudge you.
Not tell me to move. You move the camera, zoom it in or out, something.
Or, you know, you just stand in the middle of the workbench.
This actually seems to cut better when I cut one at a time. So now I have a lot of these plugins.
What the hell's in them?
Brass? It should be just normal brass plugins. These aren't not gold recovery or anything. That would just be too lucky.
I'd be a quarter ounce gold, if that.
I don't care. It's not like I'm recovering the gold myself. It would be sold to a refiner. Oh, there we go. Nice. Some nice wire. I'll add to the collection. And the buckets over here. And then there's about 1,000. There's a ton of these to deal with, which very well may just go from the other thing in the shred. So that is that. Clean up some of this junk here. But I do want to show you that aluminum.
Always stainless.
So this, and then this is a non-magnetic. Apparently this part, and that's obviously a super rusty piece of junk which we may smash off or something. But then ignore the inner tube. Add this to the mounts, although I probably should cut like this a little bit of plastic off, but so this bucket is pretty much full, and then this isn't as bad. This is and it's mixed too. I should pull out the low grade stuff out of it. It's all just mixed, and then there's this big hunk of cast iron pipe from drain work we were doing out front. That's just some garbage. So that is it for this bit of glass.